Launcher also has a mobile application which allows you to connect your Microsoft account and then access your personal content and your personal meetings via the Launcher application or via your mobile phone. To get the application, using your QR scanner, simply walk up to the screen, scan your code, and then get the application onto your phone. So once your application is downloaded, you sign in with Microsoft, and then from here, from your mobile device, what you can do is, if you've got a Bluetooth enabled device, such as this one, you will have Bluetooth connectivity, so I can go ahead and connect to this device, and you'll see in just a moment that my personal Microsoft profile will be available via the home screen. From here, I can access my personal calendar. I can also access my OneDrive content. Once I'm connected with my mobile application, I can see my personal meetings from my mobile and launch those from here. Alternatively, while you're connected, you can also access your personal calendar events from the screen itself, where you can launch the application from here. Aside from Bluetooth connectivity, there are other ways to connect to the Launcher system. One of those is on screen directly, where you can sign in here, or alternatively, you can scan using the mobile application. If you scan the QR code, you can see here I'm automatically connected to that system. When you're done using the Launcher system, you can simply disconnect using your mobile application, and that will trigger a cleanup operation which will clear your cache, close applications, and leave the system in a safe place for the next person to come along. You can also sign out directly from the screen by pressing the sign out option on the bottom right.